Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on the application of Flow. You will go to settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about Flow app and you will click. In this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then here you will enter to the window of storage and then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.